Mastering the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, Top 5 Aftermarket Modifications for Serious Rock Crawling. The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is already a legend. From the factory, it arrives with locking differentials, serious articulation, solid axles, and enough off-road credibility to embarrass most SUVs before the trail even starts. But for serious rock crawlers, stock is only the beginning. Because when the terrain becomes brutal, when every inch matters, when one wrong move can crush suspension parts, destroy underbody components, or leave you stranded between granite walls, factory capability reaches its limits. That's where the real transformation begins. Today, we're diving into the top 5 aftermarket modifications that turn the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon from trail-ready icon into a purpose-built crawling machine engineered to dominate the harshest terrain on Earth. This isn't about cosmetic upgrades. This isn't about parking lot flex culture. This is about physics, traction, clearance, durability, and mechanical confidence where failure gets expensive fast. So if you own a Wrangler, dream of building one, or simply want to understand how elite off-roaders upgrade a legend, this is the video for you. Let's start with the most important change of all. Number 1, High Clearance Long Arm Suspension. If you're serious about rock crawling, suspension is everything. Factory setups are designed to balance comfort, safety, and mass-market usability. That's smart for daily drivers, but on extreme trails, compromise becomes limitation. A high-clearance long-arm suspension changes the geometry completely. Longer control arms improve axle movement, reduce harsh angles, increase articulation, and help tires stay planted over uneven rock faces where traction constantly changes. Translation: more grip, better control, less violent suspension bind. And high-clearance brackets help move vulnerable hardware out of harm's way. That means instead of smashing mounts into rocks, you glide over them. This single upgrade changes how the Wrangler behaves in technical terrain. It becomes calmer, smoother, more confident. And confidence is everything when you're balancing thousands of pounds on sharp stone. Number 2, Heavy-Duty Lockers. Traction is not about horsepower. It's about which tire actually has grip. On serious trails, one wheel lifts, another slips, and momentum disappears instantly. That's why upgraded lockers are essential. By mechanically forcing both wheels on an axle to rotate together, lockers send power where open differentials fail. No spinning one useless tire. No wasted throttle. No drama. Just forward motion. The Rubicon already comes with factory lockers, but hardcore builds often upgrade for stronger internals, faster engagement, and higher durability under oversized tire loads. Because once you move to larger tires and harder trails, factory strength margins shrink quickly. This is where casual off-roading ends, and serious engineering begins. Number 3, 37-inch beadlock wheels and tires. Now we talk stance, presence, clearance, capability.